In this video, I'm going to talk how you can mix a vocal on your phone with BandLab, so you don't have to pay someone to do it for you. You can do it yourself. We all know BandLab has so many effects, mixing effects already mixed that's waiting for you. But this video will show you how you can mix your own sound. Like you can mix your own sound. You can have your own sound in this industry. You get me? So pay attention. Watch the end. Let me show you the mistakes, the things you can do to make it perfect. You get me? Yeah. Let's go to our BandLab. This is my BandLab. Let me record the vocal I want to mix. Gino Easy. This is the vocal I want to mix now. For example, I want to mix my vocals. I want to forge my own sound. Okay. And here it's clear, clean, normal. Okay, first you will reduce this to cover the noise of the engine. You get me? Pay attention and watch to the end. Watch to the end. Okay. Let me just go auto tune. You will denoise it to come out any small noise in the background. Auto pitch. This is auto tune. More of a rapper use this often.
Easy.
Make your voice calm. But too much of it is not good though. I just showing you if I want to mix my own sound and stuff. Okay, this is my effect. I have already mixed my own sound. I have already mixed. This is BandLab own. BandLab have so many features, effects you can use to mix your song. Plenty people use this. I will use this myself. But you need your own sound. So if you want to forge your own sound, and this is you have this effect now. Echo got to is perfect. But to show you how you can create yours. But I say yes, this is my sound. Like you see, I forge my own sound. Touch create, vocals, scroll down, and use this, touch this, filter, echo. Yeah, you have plenty. You see how your sound will be amazing. You forge it to. I will show you the way to do it, so you can go do it by yourself. But you can learn by your experience. Yeah, this is very important to that one. That PKG studio reverb. This studio reverb very important. ST chorus still important though. Plenty are here. They are here every time. Like it's so amazing. Studio reverb. BandLab is giving us effect plus effect plus effect. You can even come a studio engineer if you are using BandLab in your phone steadily. You become a successful studio engineer. Really, this is the vocal now. You see, it's clear. The reverb is I can lower it, I can do anything. Look, I can lower it, I can high it, I can do anything I want. It's very like people BandLab mixing. They have a mastering feature now. BandLab, it's free. If you want to use it, it's free. It was designed by a Grammy-winning engineer. I forget the guy name. Very amazing. You can see everything. You can do it. You can hide it. You can forge your own sound. What say? This guy sound sound different. You can forge it through BandLab. This is the perfect way you can mix and master it. Okay, let me lower that echo. The echo has gone out. Lower the echo. You see the echo we come out. You can hide it. Like your own sound. You can forge your own sound. This is so amazing. Oh God, man. You see, it's not echoing anymore. If you want to echo a little bit, you can hide it a little bit. So I will echo a little bit. You get that is the perfect way you can forge your own sound, mix it. If you want, this is not enough. You can add a lot of there are plenty here. A lot of this to forge your own sound. You see how I do it, right? A lot here, a lot. You can try a lot on. If it don't sound good to hear, you cancel it. Like spend time to forge your own sound. That's how people find their sound. Nothing. Just time, knowledge, and season. You get me? One day you can forge your own sound. Seriously. Yeah, man. Crazy out here. That is the way you can do it. Perfect. So if you learn, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Comment if you don't. I will teach you private session. Peace out, boys.